It's inevitable. Your Bantam Tools Desktop CNC Milling Machine is going to get dirty. And dust, debris, and chip buildup can shorten the lifespan of your mill, affect precision, and impact performance. This is why it's important to take the time to clean your machine after running a job and perform routine maintenance checks on your Desktop CNC Milling Machine. Use a good vacuum after each milling job to remove as much of the resulting material debris, also known as swarf, in and around the machine as possible. Inspect the 6 metal rods before and after milling. These rods, also called rails or ways, hold up the carriages in the CNC machine. Make sure the rails and the bed are clear of dust, tape, and glue, and make sure you have a tidy working environment. Sticky substances on the rails can cause the machining bed to dislodge the rails from the frame and will impact your milling project. Use a small brush to loosen the debris and then use the vacuum to remove the debris. Focus on the rails, the limit switches, and the linear bearings. The linear bearings are the circular pieces that the rails pass through. There are linear bearings in each axis. There are 3 limit switches in the Bantam Tools Desktop CNC Milling Machine, one for each axis. These switches are a calibration sensor that uses a pressure switch to detect moving parts of the mill. They play a crucial role in the homing process, probing routines, and more. After you finish machining a job, check the limit switches to make sure there is no debris built up around the switches. You can vacuum out the debris, or in some cases, you may need to use compressed air. The windows on the Desktop CNC Milling Machine are made from polycarbonate. If you would like to clean your windows, we recommend using water and soap, 91% isopropyl alcohol, and lint-free wipes. Please be advised, avoid using any cleaning products with ammonia or any scented cleaning products. Using these products on the polycarbonate windows will tarnish them and cause them to no longer be transparent. Regularly inspect the collet for visible wear. If the collet looks dirty, clean it by unscrewing the collet nut and gently tapping it on a hard surface to dislodge debris. Store your Desktop CNC Milling Machine in a cool, dry place to avoid damage to the electronics and corrosion on the rails. For a detailed written guide on how to clean and maintain your Bantam Tools Desktop CNC Milling Machine, visit support.bantamtools.com.